to write down some things that you notice and some things that you wonder. Are there right? Okay, so what are some things that you noticed? What are some things that you noticed? Kalia.
The package of the donuts is a square.
Package. John?
It has 4 corners.
4 corners. Hey, could someone add on to this one? Oliver?
It has 4 right angles.
4 rights. Angles. Remember, academic ones. Avery.
Notice that there are 2 parallel lines in the box.
Ooh, 2. Love it. And can someone show me where those parallel lines are? Sarah, will you come show me where these 2 parallel pairs are? Okay, so this one and this one, and then this one and this one, right? And what makes them parallel? What makes them parallel, Cameron? They're straight. What else? Cameron?
They're not intersecting.
They don't intersect, right? They go on and they never cross, never intersect. Okay, what else do you notice? Kendall?
Can't see all of the
Ooh, can't see all of the donuts. Explain that. Because when I'm looking at it, I mean, I see donuts. What don't you see? What don't you see, Nate?
You don't see how,
You can come up and point.
like, you only see the donuts in the middle, but there's sides. So the donuts would be under these sides.
Yeah, there's donuts under this, right? And then there's donuts under this, and under here, right? Ooh, I like it. Hey, how about our wonder? What do we wonder? Jude?
So what I wondered was how many of those packages of those big donuts would fit in that moving truck?
Okay, so how many donut boxes can fit in truck? And we know the big donut box, right? What else do we wonder? What else are we wondering, Francis?
How many donuts there are?
How many donuts are there? What else? What else? Morgan.
How big is the box?
Oh, how big is the box? What else? Wally?
Who ordered that many donuts?
Who ordered that many donuts? Okay, so in Act 1, remember how I said that we are going to decide what question we want to answer, right? So out of these questions, what question do you think we want to answer? What's a good question that we think, hey, we could probably answer this question? Kendall?
How many donuts are in the box?
How many donuts are in the box? Yes. So what number is too low? Too low. So what numbers do we have? Kalia? 10. So we have 10. Now just keep your number, okay? Don't write all my numbers, okay? Cameron, what do you have?
1.
1. What else? Chris?
0.
0. What else? Acacia? 30. Nate?
100.
100. Hey, now what I want you to decide is, what number is too high? What is way too high? I want you to write it first. Write it first. What number is way too high, cannot be, doesn't make any sense. What do you think, Taylor?
1 million.
1 million. What else? Kendall?
5,000.
5,000. Oliver?
9 million.
9 million.
99,000.
99,000.
99 million.
Oh, 99 million. Okay.
500,000.
Oh, 500,000. Clea?
4 million.
4 million. Okay. So those are numbers that are way too big, right? We know that there's not 9 million donuts in this box, right? Okay. I want you guys to make a prediction. How many donuts do you think are in the box? Okay? And I want you to what are some things that we need to know to help us solve this? What are some things that would make it easier for us to solve this? Kalia?
We need to figure out like how many donuts are on the sides.
Oh, so how many donuts are on the sides? Why would that help? So like in one line and then one line over here, why would that help? So if we're trying to find that, why would that help us? Avery?
Because there are more donuts than you can see.
There are more donuts than we can see. Why else would that help us understand or solve the problem? Francis? Ooh, then we can multiply it, right? And does this, can we make any connections to this? What are some connections that we can make?
I guess like area.
Ooh, like area, right? So, does anyone know what the formula for area is? Sarah?
Side times the other side.
So, oh, there we go. So, Avery?
An array.
Oh, it is an array. But what's the formula for area? Kendall?
Length times width.
Yes, length times width. And that's going to help us understand how many donuts are in the box. Okay? Now, for Act 2, it's going to give us some more information. Okay? Does anyone notice anything? Sarah?
There's too much information that we don't need.
There's too much information that we don't need. Okay. What information do we not need? What information do we not need? John?
But we wish you the best of luck.
Yeah, we don't really need that. Thanks for the good luck, but we got this. What else do we not need, Nate?
It's approximately 89 millimeters in diameter.
Yeah, we don't really need that, right? Because if we think before, how did we think about solving this? How did we say that we were going to kind of solve this? Francis? Multiplying what? Multiplying what? Taylor?
Length times width.
Yeah, and that really doesn't matter. The 89 millimeters in diameter doesn't really matter for this. Okay? What else do you notice that we might? Alexis?
It allows a gap between donuts to sit comfortably.
Yeah, what number is that? The 3,000 and the 2,300, which allows a gap between each donut to sit comfortably. We really don't need that either, right? Okay, so with that information, our new information that we have, I want you to try and solve. What is our question? Wally? How many donuts are in the box? Okay? This student, okay, multiplied, and what did she use to multiply? What is this? Chris? Is this area model?
Partial product.
Partial product. Partial product, okay? So it's partial product, okay? And do you see something? Do you see anything that's going on here? What's going on, Wally?
They didn't line the 150 up with the 600, so they got the 700.
So they didn't line the 150 right here up with the 600, right? So the 150 should be right here, right? If I want it to line it up. Okay? Would that change my answer? Wally?
Yes.
Yeah, that would change my answer. Okay? Do I see this all the time? Yeah. How many times do I tell you guys, line it up, line it up, line it up? Alexis? A ton. Okay? I'm always like, y'all, if you don't line it up, you're going to get it wrong. What is this way it calls? Celia? Area model. Okay? So does everything look pretty good on this one? 2 times 3, or 20 times 30, 600. Does it look pretty similar? A lot of you guys did area model. I think that's our favorite. Okay? So does everything look pretty good? Okay, so this person got 802. Okay? What did this person do? Janison? 800 times 3. Okay? 800 times 3. What I want us to do is we're going to go back to the information that they've given us. Okay? I want us to reread it. And I want us to kind of try to figure out, why did they do 800 times 3? Because a lot of y'all got the 800, okay? But why multiplying it by 3? Okay, so come back to me. Why did that person, student like C, do 800 times 3? Say, Morgan. There's 3 layers. Yeah, there's 3 layers of donuts. So, how many donuts are on that first layer? Cameron? 800. How many donuts are on that second layer? Oliver? 800. How many donuts are on that third layer? John? 800. So, what I want you to do is take a few minutes, and I want you to look over your work, and I want you to find the final answer. Okay? And I'll come back around and give you the rest. Here's Act 3, and this reveals our answer. So we all pretty much did the 25 times 32. I'm pretty sure every single one of us on our sheets had 25 times 32. Okay? But what kind of got to us was the 3 layers, right? We didn't finish our answer. Okay? What we are going to do is I want us, with your partner, to reveal the final answer.
You have to think. No, I said that. I noticed it, but I didn't actually think about when it said layers. Yeah, multiplying it by our final answer. I never really thought of it. I just thought of it like 25 times 32.
I blocked that out of the whole situation. Okay, 32 times 25. That's my answer.
Yeah, I never really thought about multiplying by 3.
Me either.
I mean, I kind of didn't notice the layers.
We are going to watch a quick little news broadcast, and we are going to determine, did you get the right answer? Okay? And our lady over here is going to let us know. Deal?
Of 12 Krispy Kreme donuts, when you can get why get only a box of 12 Krispy Kreme donuts when you can get a box of 2,400? Maybe because the bigger box has more than 500,000 calories. But then again, you'd be the office rock star until everyone gets sick of eating donuts. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz 60, and Krispy Kreme in the UK just blew the lid off.
So how many donuts were in the box? Everybody?
2004.